Hello guys, let us fix this pipe on the heater gas. Putting oil here. See it here. All right. The clip is here already. Meanwhile, it's already on this one. Change the pipe always. Like this one now. In 2026, it will expire. By next year, I have to remove it. Next year, December. Something to clean my hand. You have to reach down. So I need something to clean my hand. So it's finished. I'm done. See it? It will go to the end. Now, let us fix it back. This one, the clip, I have to go and clip it so that the gas will not be coming out till the edge. You understand? And then now we use this clip. Take this clip and clip it. See, you take this clip and clip it. While you are clipping it, I have to bring it down. Otherwise, like this, I can't. So, slip it down and do the remaining work. See it. Now, see there. First, I bring the camera down. Manu, don't go and bring the camera down. So that's bring it down. Okay, no, it's too much. No. Okay, Ben. Let's see what I'm clipping. I say what Benny.
Before it wasn't.
It's okay now. All right. Sorry for the interruption, guys. See, you see 1, 2, 3 line. You clip it here in the first line here. Clip it here. Let's lock it. If I don't wear this thing, not easy. I need to go and get my lens. It is so bad anyway. So from here now, you can fuse this one to the cylinder. Then your heater is ready. See, you can put it on 1 or 2, or rather the 3 faces. This is what we add to electricity heater here in Italy. But this one, you can use it in a place that is large like this, not in a small room. If you want to use it in a small room, it's your choice, but you need to be very careful. All right, thank you all for watching our video. Bye bye for now. Bye.